My name is Joe Smith and I am the Anglican chaplain at Cardiff University, and I am studying the MA in Theology at St Paddens. Studying on the MA has been really fruitful for me already. It gives me a space to really delve into my own faith, my own understanding of how my faith and the world interact with one another. And in my work, that has already been a really valuable thing. My hope and my dream for the chaplaincy at the university is it would be a place where people know that they're valued just for who they are. Being a Christian in the world today is a complex thing, and there's a lot to negotiate. And we want to help people flourish in that. We want to help people be able to really step into that way of life with their eyes open.